Have you ever found yourself staring blankly at your fridge, wondering what to make for your next meal? Do you often forget about the items stored away in the dark depths of your pantry? Make the most of the ingredients you have right at home and put an end to food waste by using this template. Our AI generated recipe feature allows you to enter the items you have and receive a curated list of recipes in a matter of seconds, along with a convenient meal planner to keep track of the meals you've already made. With just a few simple steps, you'll be well on your way to transforming everyday ingredients into extraordinary meals.
Let's begin by setting up your inventory of groceries. Click the icon My Food Inventory. There's already a list of sample grocery items for you to use. If you don't want to see certain items in the future, let's say you don't eat bacon, then you can remove the item by pressing Remove Sample Item button on the same row. Let's say you have a container of salt that is 16 ounces. You can use the search engine here to enter your item. You also have a container of black pepper that is 2 ounces, and also 5 bell peppers. You continue to enter your grocery like this until you finish with your inventory. To filter the table to only see what you have, press Quantity at the upper left corner, then set the quantity is greater than 0. The next time you update your inventory, simply press the Quantity button again, click Clear to view all items. You can add your groceries that is not already on the list. Press Add New Ingredient button. We included a unit converter for your convenience. For example, you want to find out how much fluid ounce is in 2 tablespoons of oil that you use. Enter 2 under quantity from, tablespoon under unit from, and fluid ounce under unit to. Then press the Convert button to see the equivalent measurement. 2 tablespoons is equal to 1 fluid ounce. You can then subtract 1 ounce of oil from your inventory.
Now that we have our inventory of ingredients, we'll head over to the recipe recommendations page. First, click on the button Add a Meal and select a meal type among breakfast, lunch, dinner, and appetizer or snack. Enter in the number of servings you'd like and simply hit the Generate button to generate a meal. You may continue to regenerate until you discover a meal that appeals to you. Open the canvas under the column Recipe to review the recipe. Here you can see the list of ingredients as well as steps on how to prepare the meal. If you would like to make a meal, double-click the cell under the column Date and select a date on which you plan to make it. This will automatically show up on your meal planner page. Now we're in the meal planner page. If you hover over the meal in the calendar, you'll be able to view all of the relevant information from the AI-generated meals table, including the recipe itself, without changing pages. If you would like to shift the date on which to make the meal, you could simply hold and drag it across the calendar. This change will be reflected in the original table. Lastly, click the checkbox under the column Made to indicate that you have made the meal.
You want to keep a record of cooked meals you like, yet you don't want to see them while creating new ones. To hide your cooked meals, press Made at the upper left corner, then press Unchecked. When you want to view your previously cooked meals again, press Made, then click Clear to see all your recipe.
Save money, time, and effort planning your meals, and let AI take on the role of your culinary assistant. Discover new dishes using ingredients you already have at home, and elevate your culinary experience starting today.